guys, so we're playing Epic Heroes War. So it's my first time playing it. Here, let's play. I'm new to YouTube. So my YouTube channel name is called the Gaming Channel. So I got nothing to put. Okay, you tap to the skill customize myself, and you have cooldown. Tap on the straight your units will cost would and have cooldown too. Okay, let's get another pack of those. So, okay, what's this one? Oh, that's epic. Epic. Gonna spam everything. Spam everything. Oh no, it's not gonna rain. Although, I think you know how it lasts forever, guys. Oh, look at all this stuff. I spammed that button so hard. So this is not gonna be a very fast video. It's gonna be really long. It's gonna be only just 11 minutes maybe. So, you know, I'm doing this on. So I'm doing this on Mobile Game. There was in game. Do that. Not powerful. Spam my hammer just. So it's kind of fun game. Okay, World War 1600 endless of travel. What's this? Equipment. Oh, gives you heal and I think are those. We should put our best ones. Those are our best ones. And what's equip? Okay. And this girl is kind of purple. Okay, this guy. And okay, that's gonna crash. And okay, so you claim that gems. There's an easy way to do this, I think. Just press on this. I'm gonna try to get some gems. Yeah, that works. Does it on my other game. Okay, so it's already liked. I think it just auto liked. Okay. We got 42 gems. What's some temple? Oh, you can get tanks. Okay, let's start with one. Ooh, that doesn't look good because it said nothing. So we can get 30 gems. I don't get that as the 30 gem. Ooh, 6,000. That's good. That's good, dude. Good, dude. Unequip. Another 6,000 to us. I think we have over 10,000. Just came at 200. Let's do the best ones. 3,000, and that's it. I can do great. Can I do another one actually? I'm pretty sure. I think it's just only 3 I can do. Look good, looks epic. Fancy crafting, I don't know if we can do that. Gem crafting is kind of good. So, academy. So we can get this one. I'm gonna get this one, looks cool. And this one. Skills. Oh, those are skills and those are heroes. The one I want is, it's not on here. What's this? A heal potion. And oh, the hammer of just 21. Okay, so this can be the end of the video. Sorry it's a short video. If you enjoyed it, please like or subscribe. And yeah, so bye.